Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a robot vacuum. Please make sure the machine is turned off when replacing the battery to avoid accidents. Flip the machine over and find the location of the battery compartment screws. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws or gently pry open the buckle to open the battery box. Remove the outer shell of the battery compartment. Disconnect the battery plug and take out the old battery. Place the new battery in the battery compartment. Make sure the positive and negative terminals on the battery match the connectors. Install the housing in the correct direction and position. Power on test to check if the battery is working properly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.